And meanwhile, the registration of qualified voters for the synchronized Sangguniang Kabataan and Barangay elections is on. The political exercise will be held this coming October. Noel Perfecto reports.
A commotion happened among the registrants in an office of a COMELEC official in Arroceros, Manila, when authorities ordered the closure of the extension of COMELEC due to hundreds of people flocking the outlet. With the hot weather, sleepless registrants, and inadequate space to accommodate the numbers of people, a mini stampede broke out in front of the COMELEC office.
Nakakaawa ho yung mga tao dahil ang init-init na nga kanina, may mga batang kasama, tapos sasabihan nila na hanggang number 300 lang daw ang mapapasukin.
Number pero wala naman. Tapos kanina pa kami nakapila, wala rin. So far wala talaga mangyayari sa amin dito.
Dapat po organisado ang gagawin nila dahil ang mga tao nakakaawa ho eh.
The registrants did not deter and suffered under the heat of the sun and rush of the people. With this, the people asked for an extension so that more registrants that went to Arroceros can register. PTB4 tried to reach COMELEC authorities for comment, but the crew was not able to enter the office due to the small space and the bad mood of people in the line.
Napakarami ng tao rito. Nagkaroon na ng stampede dito kanina. Ito si Kuyang. Ano masasabi niyo, sir?
Kasi nakakasawa na. Isa lang ang sistemang ginagawa nila. Dapat baguhin naman nila para yung mga tao hindi tamarin para magparehistro.
Sino ba na matutuwa sa ganyang sistema nila?
Wala sir, halo-halo sir eh. Kung ginawa nila, hinati yan. Second floor, 1, 2, 3.
Because of this, registrants are pleading to COMELEC to extend the 10-day registration period to give everyone a chance to vote in the upcoming synchronized elections. The individuals who will register for the barangay elections is expected to reach 700,000 people, while 2 are expected to register for the SK polls. And to give everybody a chance to register, offices of election officers will be open on weekends from 8 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. Also included is the cleaning of the voters list for the elections of the Sangguniang Kabataan. With this, COMELEC encouraged the public to take advantage and register early to vote. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.